Alright, so before we get into this video, we finally hit 150 subs, so that means we have to do the Babe Keychain giveaway. So if you want to be entered into the Babe Keychain giveaway, you're going to head over to my Instagram right here at KilarF03, and you're going to DM me giveaway or something, like the word giveaway. DM me the word giveaway at KilarF03, and then you'll be entered into winning this keychain. So yeah, go do that. Alright, what's going on everybody? Broke Kilar here, back in with another project, and today we're going to be unboxing some Supreme items from, I think, week 1. It might be week 1 and week 2. I don't know. All I know is this came in a couple weeks ago, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. Never got around to unboxing it, so we're going to open these up, and the first package that came in Alright, so all of these items are from the Fall/Winter 2019 drop, which, by the way, there was a few pieces that I really wanted to get, but I was not able to get. For example, the banner tee I think is really sick. The Mary J. Blige tee was pretty sick. You know, there was some other accessories, but I totally forget, to be honest with you. Alright, moving on, let's get into this. Alright, so before we get into the item, we have the Supreme box logo scratch off sticker. So you scratch this off and then it reveals the box logo behind it. The next one is the banner sticker. That's pretty gas, I like that one. The Save the Planet, Kill Yourself sticker. I think there's 3 of them on here. More free stickers. And the free item for Fall/Winter 2019 is the parachute guy. Here's a close-up of all of those items real quick. Alright, and the first item we got is the military camp hat in black. So right here we got the military camp hat with the black logo right there. It's not a snapback. I don't know what these would be called. They're like, there's like a clip in the back, and the clip says Supreme on it too, which is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea how I look in this type of hat. I've never worn a camp hat before. I know I look really bad in dad hats, so moving backwards. Alright, yeah, we're moving on from that. Next we got whoa. Oh, that's sick. Alright. Oh, okay, so I actually ordered this item and the hat at the same time, so I figured the free items would just be coming with the hat, but it came with both, so that's cool. So we got another free sticker, and this one is backwards for some. I don't know why it's backwards. I mean, I guess that's cool, but I don't know. We got another Save the Planet, another scratch off box logo, and another parachute guy. So here is a close-up of those 4 items right there. And here we have the Supreme zip pouch in the black. It has this nice Supreme branding right on the back. That's like the only reason why I got it, because I thought that was pretty sick. Small Supreme box logo right there. I don't know, there's like this key ring thing right there, and I don't know what you would use this for, to be honest. Oh, it's kind of like a wallet now that I look at it. Oh no, maybe not. I don't know what you would use this for, like what this would hold. This looks like it can just hold some gift cards maybe, but that's about it. I really don't know. Kellen was saying he hopes that it can fit pencils in it. You could just use it as a pencil case. I guess that's a pretty cool idea. So yeah, here's the utility pouch. I don't remember how much this was. I don't remember how much any of this was. Cool. Next we got a big item right here.
This one.
Okay, so this one comes with even more. So this one comes with another banner sticker, another Supreme scratch off, and another with a backwards new from Supreme, and another parachute guy. Well, there's those 4, I guess. You can see those. And in here, we've got the backpack from Fall/Winter 2019. I don't know what the full name of it is. I got this backpack in the black right here. Oh, this is pretty gas, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yo, this is pretty sick. Alright, so at first when I saw this bag, I really didn't care for it because of all of these like all of these weird clips over here, but I decided I should probably pick it up because bags tend to do really well over time. So in about a year, I should be able to make about $100 profit on this bag. If I don't decide to keep it for myself, because it's kind of gas, I might want to just keep this actually. Let's see if I can get this to puff up a little bit. Alright, so it's got a Supreme patch right here, Supreme branding. It's got a massive Supreme branding over the top. I don't know if you can see that. There, I hope you can see that. Massive Supreme branding on the top. It's got this cool little pouch right here, which I think is sick. I don't know what you put it in there, but yeah. Oh, and there's another pouch right here. Hey, this thing is kind of fire. So yeah, like I said at first, because of all these weird straps like this all over the place, I didn't think that the bag was that sick. I think it looked kind of weird, but it was an investment. I'm hoping the value goes up over time, because now that I'm looking at it, it's kind of a cool bag. It's actually a really good bag for school. It's got a lot of pockets. It's got all these little pockets for your pens and stuff like that in the front. On the inside, it does have a laptop compartment thing. I do like the Supreme branding going all over the inside. That's pretty sick, actually. Alright, so that is the black backpack. So that is the 3 items that I ended up copying for Supreme Week 1. We got all black everything. And let's just roll a quick cinematic, I guess, of all the stuff. Alright, and that is the items from my Supreme unboxing from week 1 fall winter 2019. If you want to be entered into the giveaway for the bait keychain, here's a close-up of it. There it is, close up. If you want to enter to win a bait keychain, head over to my Instagram, Kilar03, right here. DM me the word giveaway or something like that at Kilar03. You'll be entered into the giveaway. I'll be picking a winner in maybe like 3 days from when this is 6, I just realized. 3 days from when this video is posted, and then I'm gonna do some sort of like random username generator thing when I put it in on the laptop or something. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Alright, all I know is you just gotta go enter. And if you wanna enter, you just gotta be subscribed, like this video, and DM me. That's it. Subscribe, like the video, DM me. Also, so some of these items are probably gonna be going up on my Grailed very soon. So make sure you check out my Grailed account, shop Broke Boy Project on Grailed.com. Link is in the description below. If you're interested in buying any of these, they're going to be for sale over there. Alright, and that's going to be it for this video, so I'm going to head out. Hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.